Hi guys, my name is Sean Dennis. I am the owner of United Pressure Washing in Sulphur Springs, Texas. When I first started my business, I got a hold of 180 Sites to build me an absolute amazing website. They knocked it out of the park. I could not be happier. The website is fluid, simple to use, very easy, looks amazing, catches the eye. I couldn't be happier. There's not enough to say about them. They're awesome people over there. They do real good work. I would recommend them to just about anybody that would come to me and ask me about a web developer. So if you're out there looking for one, 180 Sites is definitely the one you want to go with. They're just amazing. So yeah, 5-star review all the way. That's all I have to say.